Three different nights, three different roads. One warm bowl wherever we go. Late night, small room, miles from home. Open up the cupboard, dinner on my own. That familiar smell fills up the room. Home doesn't feel so far away. One pack, one pot, one spoon, one bite. Everything feels right. Calm sea, then sudden rain. We hide away inside the car. A little pot of warm red glow. The night doesn't feel so cold. One pack, one pot, one spoon, one bite. Everything feels right. Late in the guest house, one pot on the stove. The smell brings travelers from their rooms. We came as strangers, now we laugh together. One warm pot brings us close tonight.